moms than their child, of course, and for any new moms to be. One group is actually raising awareness about waiting the 39 weeks if they can before that big push. And here to explain why it's so important is the Vice President of Women's and Children's Services at HCA, or the Hospital Corporation of America, Amy Kasseri. How are you, Amy?
I'm doing great, Sean. Thank you.
It's great to have you. All right, let's talk about this. HCA, you guys
have... So at HCA...
You've partnered up with March of Dimes, and you've joined forces to make sure, essentially, that babies are getting enough time to cook. You can't be pushing them out too early.
That's correct. At HCA, we've been delivering babies for close to 50 years now. And last year alone, we delivered 220,000 babies. And that's a lot of experience partnering with moms on their journey to motherhood. And so we really wanted to get a message out to mothers on Mother's Day and those moms-to-be, how important it is to wait to deliver your baby at full term, or a full 39 weeks. We did studies at our hospitals, and we could determine that babies are less likely to have complications and have a need of an intensive care unit if they can go a full 39 weeks, if possible. It's really worth the wait.
Absolutely, and I know that in some situations, obviously, the mother may need to give birth to that child a little sooner than possible, but often the mother just kind of wants to get the baby out. Of course, that time has come. I mean, I've seen this myself. My wife is 5.5. We have a 5.5 month baby, but at around 7-8 months, she's like, "Let's get this baby out of here. I'm over it." And necessarily, you should just kind of wait a little bit longer if you have the option to do so.
Absolutely. You get very uncomfortable. You have family coming in, different things that come up during that time, and it gets very tempting to want to deliver early. But it really, truly is worth the wait to wait a full 39 weeks, full-term babies. The lungs are one of the last organs to develop, and you want to make sure they get everything they need to fully develop in the babies, to not have respiratory illness or have any kind of need for the intensive care unit.
Absolutely. I know HCA has a couple locations here in Las Vegas, and the whole idea of this campaign, I know, for example, Sunrise Children's Hospital has a NICU inside of the valley. The whole point is to keep babies out of there if they don't need to be in there.
That's right. We have Sunrise Children's, we have Mountain View, and Southern Hills. And so, of course, if babies do need to come early, and some babies do need to be delivered early for medical complications, we have any kind of ICU that you would need to help you through that time. And with our partnership with March of Dimes, it will help us be able to raise awareness about going the full 39 weeks and full term for your deliveries, but also the importance of healthy babies, and be able to provide resources for those families that do need to end up using an ICU, so that moms and families have the resources they need during that difficult time.
And Amy, I know you're a mother yourself. You know that last few weeks of pregnancy can be quite the lesson in patience, but you say it's worth the wait. If we want to get more information on this campaign and your connection with March of Dimes, where do we go?
Absolutely. You can, obviously, we always encourage moms to talk to their OB, but you can also go to HCAhealthcare.com for more information about the 39 weeks and information about healthy moms, healthy babies, and our relationship with March of Dimes.
How old is your baby now, if you don't mind me asking?
My baby is 19 years old. I have a 19-year-old and a 14-year-old, so not so little anymore. But I remember when they were born, and it seems like yesterday. Not exactly.
It's just like a new car. That new car smell fades away, the newborn smell fades away, and just becomes sweat and Mountain Dew. Amy, it's great talking to you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Sean. Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
And a happy Mother's Day to you. Reduce your newborn baby's risk for complications by carrying the pregnancy whenever possible, the full 39 weeks. To learn more about HCA's partnership with March of Dimes, visit HCAhealthcare.com. Hospital Corporation of America, proud sponsor of the Morning Blend.